Let's pair your Lodar 9000 series transmitter to your receiver. All right, if you've got one of the IP transmitters, you'll see that the battery on this one's a little bit different than our smaller ones. You're going to have four number one Phillips screws that are in here. Once you get those out, you can pull this little door off, pull the gasket with it. Don't lose that because you'll need it to seal it. Inside, you'll find where four AAA batteries go, not two like our other systems, but there are actually four batteries in this little holder. It'll come in usually backwards, so you'll want to take that out and then put it in, make sure that they're making contact inside there. Push this in, you'll be able to turn it over and you'll see your little LEDs blinking anytime you hit a function, and then you'll know that you're good. One key step in pairing your new transmitter is to make sure that you have no power to your system. Even when your system is off, there's usually going to be power supplied to it. Depending on the installation, it could be a switch that turns it off, it could be a fuse that you could pull, or you may have to completely disconnect it from its power supply. To pair your transmitter, you've got to make sure that your first step is that there is no power whatsoever. So there should be no LED lights. Once you power it, you'll see your power light and your fault light flashing. But you must make sure that you have no power to your board when you start your process. To pair your transmitter, you're going to press the green button and function 1. As you can tell in this remote, there are no button labels, and that does not matter. Function 1 is always the top left function button that will be directly under the red shutoff button. You're going to press green and function 1. You're going to press and hold both of these at the same time, and within about 5 to 10 seconds, your transmitter should be paired to your receiver. If you look at your receiver and you see your light flashing, once you press the green in function 1, it'll continue to flash, but within that 5 to 10 second time frame, it will go from a flashing to a solid light. That tells you that you're now paired. It's as easy as that. If you have any other questions or if you're having any difficulties with anything, feel free to give us a call, 1-800-658-6301, or you can visit us on our website at piercearrowinc.com.